Hi everyone, I'm Devin, and today I have something very exciting to share with you, and that is my top secret companion for the best night's sleep that I have ever had, and that is the Sleepsia Body Pillow. Now, I am a busy mom of 3. I've also suffered many injuries over the past few years, including a torn ACL in my right knee and also multiple back injuries. And I've invested in multiple different types of pillows, including other body pillows, but nothing, and I mean nothing, truly worked until I found the most magnificent body pillow from Sleepsia. There's many things that make this pillow very special and worth every penny of its affordable price, and I will get into every single one of those details in this video, so hopefully you can give this a try for yourself and experience an incredible night's sleep. When I first received my Sleepsia Body Pillow in the mail, I was amazed at how compact it was inside of its vacuum sealed packaging, but even more amazing was how quickly it fluffed up to be a very full and supportive body pillow that was easily moldable to whatever level of firmness and comfort that I was looking for to relieve all of my aches and pains. The Sleepsia Body Pillow provides many benefits, including improved circulation, reduced stress and anxiety, decreased muscle tension, improved sleep quality, reduced pain from arthritis or other conditions, improved sleep efficiency, better posture during sleep, and enhanced overall health. Not only do I love it, but my 3 little ones love it as well, and they enjoy relaxing and reading a story before bedtime on this body pillow that provides so much comfort. When you lie down on this, you will feel supported from your head to your toes, and it is unlike any other pillow that I have ever experienced in the fact that it really does help support your neck and your spine. This pillow provides comfort at a level that is customizable to you. On top of all of those amazing benefits, one of my favorite features of the Sleepsia Body Pillow is this hidden zipper on the side of this very plush velvet pillow cover. The cover is removable, making it very easy to wash to maintain hygiene, and also very low maintenance, which is something as a busy mom I truly love in a product. I only wish that I had had this during my pregnancy because I cannot imagine how much more comfortable I would have felt. Like I mentioned before, this has truly changed the way that I sleep. It has made me a more well-rested and happier person in the morning. I have fewer aches and pains, and if I haven't mentioned it before, besides the excellent quality of product that you get when you shop with Sleepsia, you also get a customizable experience if you stop on their website. If a body pillow is something that you're not really in the market for, you will find tons of other sleep options on their website with all customizable sleep experiences for you, all made with the top quality product at a very affordable price. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to Sleepsia for offering such an amazing quality sleep. Bye.